Hi guys, this is Lalit and welcome in my channel Network and Desktop Support. Today I will show you how to configure Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol without wildcard mask with classful routing. So here I am showing you this four routers. Here I configured this four router. I have explained here this IP address for your reference. For I have note there, so you can see, and I have given there all types of password like enable secure line VTY line console line auxiliary. These types of password I have given on this four router. Now I direct configure router first with interface serial 1/0. IP address is 192.168.1.1 triple 255.0. Clock rate is a 64,000 and bandwidth is a 64. No shutdown command. After I configure interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address is 10.0.0.1, 255.0.0.0. This is the subnet mask. Bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown. Save this configuration with do-wr command. Now I will configure router second. I enter their password. After user mode to enable mode and enable mode to configuration terminal mode. Interface serial 1/0 that is connected with router 1. That is connected with router 1 and IP address is 192.168.1.2 triple 255.0. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown command use. After I configure fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address is 20.0.0.1 double 255.000. Bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown command use. Now I configure serial 1/1 that is connected to router third. IP address is 192.68.2.1 triple 255.0. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64. No shutdown. After I configure router third that is connected to router second or router 4. Here also I configured all types of password. Now I went from in a user mode to enable mode and enable mode to configuration terminal mode. So interface serial 1/0. IP address is 192.168.2.2 that is connected to router 2 and triple 255.0. Enter. Clock rate is 64,000. Enter. Bandwidth is 64. Enter. No shutdown command use for using open the router interface fast ethernet interface serial 1/1 fast ethernet 0/0. IP address is 30.0.0.1 and 255.0.0.0. Bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown command used for open the router interface serial 1/1 that is connected to router 4. IP address is 192.168.3.1 triple 255.0. This is subnet mask and clock rate is 64,000. Enter and bandwidth 64. No shutdown command used for open the router. Save this all configuration with do-wr command. Now I am going on router 4 that is connected to router 3. Here I am go enable mode to configuration terminal. Now I am interface serial 1/0. and IP address is 192.168.3.2 22255.0. Clock rate is a 64,000 and bandwidth is a 64. Enter no shutdown command. After I go for interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and IP address is 40.0.0.1 255.000 and bandwidth is 64. No shutdown command. So I configure the interfaces, all types of interfaces, that is a serial and fast Ethernet with 4 routers and switches. Now I will configure the what is the actual protocol, enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. Now I will go on router first and I will start from there. This is the configuration terminal mode. Now I am typing router EIGRP 1. This command is with group. Network is 192.168.1.0 and 22255.0. This is the subnet mask. Also second network is 2.0. Sorry, second network is a 10.000. Subnet mask is a 255.000 and enter. Save this configuration with do-wr command. Now I go on router. There will be same configuration on router second. There will be change only the IP addresses. This is the router first and this is the router second. Now I go from configuration mode, configuration terminal mode. Now I am typing router EIGRP1. This is the group. And first network is 192.168.1.0. First network is 192.168.1.0 and 22255.0 and enter. There is showing neighbor is connected with agency. Neighbor is connected IP EIGRP1 neighbor. And second network is a 2.0, that is a 192.168.2.0 and 22255.0. Third network is that is a switch 20.000 space 255.000. Save this all configuration with do-wr command. Now I will go on router third. This is the router third. Here you can see this is the router third. I am going on configuration terminal mode. Now here typing router EIGRP RP1. This is the group and network is 192.168.2.0 and 22255.0. This is the connected with router 2. There is showing connectivity. This is the router 2. This is router 2 switch and this is the router third. There is a second connectivity, that is a network 192.168.3.0 which is connected to router 4. and third network which is connected to switch 30.000 space 255.000. Save this configuration with do wr command. There you can see this is the router third and this is the router 4. Now I will configure router 4 with EIGRP. Here I am come on configuration terminal more. Now typing router EIGRP 1. This is the group. Network is 192.168.3.0 which is connected to router third. This is the connectivity with router third 192.168.3.0 and 222.55.0, and second network that is a switch which is connected to router 4, that is a network is a 40.0.0.0 and 250.0.000. Save this configuration with do wr command. There we can see this EIGRP configuration has been done. Now we will ping. First we will configure the desktop which is connected to router first. There you can see IP address 10.00.2. Now 20.00.2. Subnet mask is default and gateway also default, that is a 20.0.0.1. Now I will go on router third's desktops which is connected to switch here 30.0.0.2. Subnet mask is default and 30.0.0.1 default gateway. This is the router 4 desktop 40.00.2 255.000. Subnet mask is default which is a 40.0.0.1. Now I will ping from router 1 the desktop, that is a 10.0.0.1 10.0.0.2, and now I am pinging to 192.168.1.1, that is the router first serial 1/0's IP address. This ping also done. There you can see this configuration is done. Now I will ping on router second, that is a 1.2. Now I will ping 2.1, that is a serial interface 1/1 of router 2. Now I will ping 2.2, that is a serial interface 1/0 of router third. Now I am ping on router third serial interface 1/1 of router third. Now direct ping to router 4, that is a serial interface 1/0 3.2 192.168.3.2. Now I am pinging. From router ping 190.40.0.0.1 mean router post desktop. There you can see we can ping on every router from any one router. So this configuration has been done. Like this you can configure enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. If you have any question, please give me on comment box, and thanks for watching this video, and don't forget like and subscribe.